Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Barbie Bam Bam. On today's makeup tutorial, it's going to be on this bougie art house vibe makeup look. It's purple violet eye makeup with dry red lips. If you want to see how I got this look, then let's get started. Start by applying a small amount of primer on the palm of your hand, warm it up, and smooth it on the skin. On to the next step. Using foundation brush, apply your favorite foundation all over your face. And to even out the product, buff it out using flat foundation brush. Next, apply under eye corrector under your eyes. This concealer has peach hue that cancel out dark circle. So apply small amount only on the area that you want to correct. First, I blended out using concealer brush, then I realized that my fingers actually works better because it melts the product onto the skin. Next step, apply concealer that 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation on the areas that you want to highlight. Then use foundation brush to melt everything together. Apply translucent loose powder with the brush to set everything in place, especially around my under eye because that's the area that tends to crease the most. To prep the eyes, apply lid primer and blend using your finger. Moving on to the eyeshadow. Place light purple color all over your eyes as a base color. And also apply it on the lower lash line. And apply the remaining product on the brush to the eyebrow for more natural look. Next, place violet color onto your lid and crease. And also onto the outer lower lash line. Then feather out the harsh line using clean fluffy brush. On to the next step, using angled brush, place darker shade of purple on the upper lash line, inner lid, and onto the outer V, creating winged shape like so. And also onto the outer lower lash line. Then brush out the harsh lines to create more depth. Next, using black eyeliner, tightline your upper lash line. extend the line and wing it out. Apply it also on the inner half of waterline. Then go back with the darker purple color and apply it on top of the black eyeliner for softer look. Feather out the harsh line. Using the same color, shape and fill in the eyebrow. Use a spoolie to soften the harsh line. Then fill in your brow using brow pencil. Next, use brow gel to secure the brow in place. On to the next step, apply liquid liner along the lash line and wing it out. And then again, place dark purple color on top of the wing shape and on the outer third of your crease, creating a V shape. Next, using precision liquid liner, draw fake lower lashes on the outer lash line like so. To balance out the eye, apply fake eyelashes. First, apply the fake lash glue on the band and wait for a few seconds, then place it on top of your lash line. After that, apply mascara on your upper and lower lashes. Then, place a shimmer pink color on the crease. To highlight the eyes, place champagne shimmer eyeshadow on your inner corner and also on your brow bone. Moving on to the face, place contour color onto the sides of the nose near the brows. Feather it out along the sides of the bridge of the nose until the tip of the nose. Apply it also under the lip and its sides. Next, place contour color on the perimeter of the face for slimming effect. Moving on to the blush. To add color on the face, place pink blush on the apple of the cheeks. And apply the remaining product on the brush on your nose, forehead, and chin. To bring all the colors together, combine the pink and violet eyeshadow and place it on top of the blush. Moving on to the lips. Apply mahogany red color onto the lips. Feather out the color onto the lip line like so. Next, place this beautiful red color on the inner part of the lips. Then feather out the color. I like to do this on my lips because I prefer my lips to look soft and not harsh. Using your finger, dab purple eyeshadow on the outer part of your lips like so.
And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!